The end of the school year is both an exciting and busy time for students and families as they prepare for exams and getting ready to celebrate their academic achievements. Hello, and thank you for watching. I am Superintendent Dr. Tonja Williams, and in today's episode, we are going to help our 3rd through 8th grade students and parents learn more about how to get ready to ace the end of the year math exam. While the math exam can be challenging, following a few simple steps makes it a lot easier for students to study, prepare, and ultimately get a great grade on this important test. Being proficient in math is essential to so many activities that we encounter each and every day. Now, let's learn more about some of those simple steps students can take from our Director of Mathematics, Ms. JaDawn Wagstaff.
Good morning, I'm JaDawn Wagstaff. I am the Director of Mathematics for Buffalo Public Schools for grades K through 12. The test that you are going to take is important because it lets us know what you have mastered, meaning what you already know, and it also gives us an indication of those skills that you still need help with. So that is the reason why you are taking the test and why we need you to do your best on the test. The first thing I want you to know is that you are a math person. Every person is a math person. We are not all at the same place at the same time, but you are capable of doing all of the mathematics that you are being taught. Another thing I want to let you know is aside from what you are doing in class with your teachers, you can also get yourself ready. You can kind of psych yourself up. How about practicing on First in Math? All of you who have access to First in Math in that game environment can practice your skills. Or you can go back on Zern and review some of the lessons you might have struggled with. And you can also use Moby Max. On the night before and the day of the test, make sure you get rest. Make sure you eat a good breakfast. Make sure you come in ready with everything that you need. We don't want anybody to panic. Remember, this is a test that's going to let us know how well you're doing and to also let us know what you may need help with. This test is not about us. It's all about you.
Thank you, Director Wagstaff, for those helpful test-taking tips. And I'm sure they'll go a long way towards ensuring our BPS students put their best efforts forward and score well on this year's math exam. Well, that's all the time we have for today. But while I still have you, please check out all kinds of great content that shines a light on our students and staff on our Facebook, X, and Instagram accounts. Until next time, peace.